Hey, I buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper. Bakabi. Hey, I buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper. Bakabi.
Buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper.
Bakabi.
Morris, the critic.
Alright, yes, today let's try to look at something that is very, very interesting. Just the way I can say this is going to be something that is very, very interesting. And before we go far, I'm just going to show you how you can look at our hair extension. This is how it looks. And please, if I say it is something that is very interesting, trust me, you're going to love it. It is a really very soft hair, very, very soft hair. You can see how it looks. It comes like this, plus this crochet to help us to do all these things. So before we go far, let's try to do the cornrows. And I told you that when it comes to the cornrows, we always have to do it using the inward knotless braiding, the inward braiding. Okay, yes, those ones who do the updo, the yarn cornrows, I don't know, when it comes to these crochet, how do you stay with them? Because for us, we believe, and whenever we do this, according to our experience, you find like this lasts longer. Like it can even take you something like 3 months when you still have this hair. You understand? It's just because of the foundation. So when it comes to crochet, as long as you have a good foundation, trust me, all things are going to be very, very perfect. So before we go further still, let me first introduce myself. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And this channel is where you always find different types of hairstyles, and that is crochet, weavings, all I don't specialize. And yes, I work at Hair by Clippers, and that is Clippers with Z. For those ones who would want to get my services, just come at Hair by Clippers with Z. Yes, and I always work with the whole team. As you can see, yes, as we can see, we are going to be like 5 people in this head. So the first person is doing the cornrows, and then we are going to start doing the crochet. So all those, it is the whole team going to contribute. And another thing I would like to remind you guys that we have a School of Beauty. To those ones who would want to come and start learning, we have a School of Beauty. Please come and join us. Yes, we are still learning. And lastly, I opened up another channel, and the link is in the description to those ones. And I found out this is very, very important to most of us. Before you plate something, I wish you would first know something like any idea about that hairstyle. You know, sometimes we love doing hairstyles, but we don't understand them. We don't understand how to maintain. We don't understand how these hair extensions behave like on our hairline. So that channel is mainly to make you understand a certain hairstyle before you're going to do it, what you need to know about it, and the things you will have to expect when you do that kind of a hairstyle. You understand? So this time around, still we are continuing with this, and I'm going to be explaining more about it. But mostly, please just go right in the description. I tried to search for that, look for that link. It is called Knowing My Hairstyle. Yes, you can even search it. It's called Knowing My Hairstyle. Subscribe on that channel. Trust me, you always watch those videos of different types of hairstyles that are going to help you to know more styles before you do them. So as we're continuing, this is going to be our invisible line, and of course our invisible line is always smaller than other lines to make it not look big. You know, most of the times you not me, you do the crochet and you find like when at the point of separation you find it is very huge, like the line is very big, it is overspaced. So what you do, you do them smaller than these other corners. So as we are following all those, let's continue and see how this is going to look like.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi de wongo yaka. Morris, the crochet master, did American you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris, the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo me, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master, yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Maurice, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master, Maurice, your crochet master, Maurice, your crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Liko loving, oyagala kola kavidi oshanane. Hey, you need some liko pampering. Tomukono mukugo kumaniche kukola. Yitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamovidi kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, ewa crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, Jangu.
Right, so as we are doing it this speedy, and then when we reach here, we just have to make sure that we overpack our hair. Yes, this I always try to remind all of you who always try to crochet this hair. Yes, it is better to pack it very well, so that when you pack it very well, it is going to give you that volume even after you have made the palm rods. Because most of the times, whenever we add in the palm rods, you find the hair has shrunk, like it becomes little on the head. So what you do, you have to make sure that from the beginning, you pack it very well, so that when you add in the extension, it just balances, as you're going to see this. And then the palm rods, of course, we are using the smaller ones. Yes, and they're very, very perfect and very, very nice, as you're going to be seeing all the results. But what I really need to remind you again is, please search for Knowing My Hairstyle. Yes, search for that channel, Knowing My Hairstyle. And of course, we all need all those ideas. Yes, before you do a certain hairstyle, what are you supposed to braid? Like what? Sorry, before doing a certain hairstyle, what are you supposed to know about that hairstyle? And if you're to do it, what are your expectations? Yes, because sometimes we do things, the hairstyles, without even knowing how they're going to react to us, and then how we're going to maintain them, still how to style them, all that. So I'll be showing you how to do those on that channel. and it's called Knowing My Hairstyle. So for now, for me, I'm gonna be signing out, but let's see how this also looks like. And trust me, if there is any question you'd need to ask me, just go right in the comment section, tell me what you need to understand about this hairstyle. And another thing is, please don't watch this video and never let me with a like. So please, what I mean, just like it. As you have watched it, I just need your like, only that. Yes, I'll really appreciate, and may the Lord bless you. I hope you like the video. That is the only thing I feel like. And please, still after liking, tell me where you're watching from. I feel better whenever I see my people watching my videos and they always tell me where they're watching me from. For now, bye bye. May the Lord bless you all, mostly to those who are going to like my video.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no no no.
Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a Mac on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no.